Automated file transfers are the backbone of your business operations, but legacy SFTP servers weren't built for today's security threats or compliance demands. There's a better way. Kiteworks SFTP delivers enterprise-grade secure file transfer, hardened virtual appliance, AES 256 encryption at rest, TLS 1.3 in transit. Deploy on-premise, in your cloud, or Kiteworks hosted. Your data, your control. Validated by FedRAMP Moderate, Authorized, and FedRAMP High in process SOC 2 Type 2, FIPS 140-3, ISO 27001, 17, and 18, IRAP, BSI, and Cyber Essentials Plus. And quickly demonstrate compliance with HIPAA, PCI DSS, GDPR, FISMA, and more. Transfer files up to 16 terabytes, consolidate multiple SFTP servers into one governed platform, and move off port 22 by configuring common ports to avoid common attack vectors. Key-based authentication eliminates password vulnerabilities. Policy controls let you disable credential-based access entirely. And business users manage SFTP through familiar web folders, no command line required. The SFTP connector brings remote servers into your ecosystem. External SFTP servers appear as web folders. Graphical workflows automate transfers. And every connection inherits the same security hardening, governance, and logging as your server. One platform, complete visibility on every transfer. Who shared what, with whom, when, and how. Immutable audit logs feed your SIM and streamline compliance audits. Kiteworks SFTP. Enterprise security, effortless compliance, total visibility. Learn more at kiteworks.com.